Now that we've eaten all of our fruits and vegetables,
It's time for dessert.
I'll go get the cookies. Oh no!
What? What is it?
Someone took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who could have possibly done such a thing?
Who did take the cookies from the cookie jar? Was it Tex? Or maybe Gilbert? Was it Dennis? Or could it even have been you, Betty?